called Plant and Share Month, and there's 3 ways that you can get involved. So here they are.
Number 1, plant your seeds and then upcycle your container. Look at that, isn't it beautiful? It was an ordinary pot and now it's painted. Woo! Number 2 is help your plants grow. They've got all the tips and tricks to get your seeds to turn into healthy seedlings like this. Number 3 is plant and share on social media. So share your healthy seedlings and all your good news stories about healthy food growing with hashtag plant and share, and we can spread the love of making homegrown food.
So the lovely people at Food for Life get-togethers are putting together all sorts of resources online, so you'll be able to learn all about how to grow some food at home if you don't know already. And if you do, share your tips and tricks for doing it well. All right, everybody, that's coming up in April, 19th of April to the 19th of May, Plant and Share Month. All right, get ready to go. All right, love you, everybody. It's nearly spring and we can grow some lovely plants. Love your plants. Love you. Mwah, mwah. Bye now. Bye.